So before you join us in XRP Tip Team, you need XAMAN, the most trusted wallet built for the XRP Ledger. Setting up a crypto wallet sounds complicated, but honestly, it's easier than most social media accounts. Let me walk you through this and you'll be done in just a few minutes. First, head to XAMAN.app and download it. App Store for iPhone, Google Play for Android. Make sure it says XRPL Labs. That's the official developer. Open it up, tap Start, and set a 6-digit passcode. You can enable Face ID or fingerprint too, which makes things way easier. Tap Create a new account. Here's where things get important. The app shows you secret numbers, 8 rows labeled A through H with 6 digits each. That's 48 numbers total. Listen carefully. These numbers are your wallet. They're not like a password you can reset. These are the actual keys to your XRP Ledger account. Don't lose them. Otherwise, you could lose access to your funds. There's no customer service that can help. No forgot password button exists. So grab a pen and paper, yeah, old school, and write down every single number, in every single row. Double check each one. Super important. Don't take a screenshot. Don't save them in notes. Don't email them. Don't store them in the cloud. Nothing digital. Why? Because anything digital could be hacked. Paper is actually the safest option. Write them down and get ready to store that paper somewhere secure. Also, these numbers can help you recover your wallet if your device ever malfunctions. Basically, keep these numbers secret and safe. Once written, XAMAN asks you to re-enter the numbers. This ensures you wrote them correctly. Enter carefully and boom, your account is created. Now you'll see your R address. Your public wallet address starting with R followed by letters and numbers. Here's the difference. Secret numbers are private. Never share those. But your R address? That's meant to be shared. It's like your email address for crypto. Anyone can send XRP to your R address, but only you can access it with your wallet. XAMAN gives you security options. Standard security works great. You'll use your passcode or fingerprint for transactions. Quick and secure. Guess what? You created your account, but it's not ready yet. One more step. Activation. The XRP Ledger requires every account to hold 1 XRP as a reserve. Think of it like a tiny deposit allowing you to use the network. That 1 XRP stays permanently. I recommend getting about 20 to 25 XRP total when you activate. Why? You need 1 XRP for reserve, plus enough for your first tip to your sponsor, and a small cushion for price fluctuations. Where do you get XRP? Easy. Tap Activate your account in XAMAN. You'll see purchase options, like C14, Banksa, BTC Direct, depending on your location. Buy XRP directly with your credit card or bank account, just like buying anything online. Once that XRP arrives, your account activates automatically. You'll see your XRP balance. You're ready to enter the matrix. Here's what you just accomplished. You created a self-custody wallet on the XRP Ledger. You control your funds. Not a bank, not an exchange, not XRP Tip Team. You. Your wallet is protected by military-grade cryptography, and you did it in minutes. Now the exciting part. Back on the XRP Tip Team page, you'll see the ability to send a tip to your referrer. Open XAMAN, scan the QR code on desktop and approve. Or just approve the transaction on mobile and your first tip goes through in less than 10 seconds. Once your tip confirms, your position creates automatically. Your new dashboard opens, you can mint your NFT on Zahao network if you want, and boom, you're officially part of the infinite chain tip economy. If the dashboard doesn't open automatically, no worries. Just scan the QR code on the dashboard screen with XAMAN and it'll sign you right in. By the way, this wallet isn't just for XRP Tip Team. It works with the entire XRP Ledger ecosystem. You're opening doors to a whole new world of possibilities. So take a deep breath, follow these steps, and join the world of self-custody. You're now a part of the XRP Ledger. Congratulations on taking full control of your digital future. Now, let's get you started accumulating XRP with XRP Tip Team. Go ahead and send that first tip to your sponsor. See you inside when you land on your dashboard. And again, welcome to the team.